Hello all, welcome to StarAgile YouTube channel. I am Venkatesh, your project management coach. In this video, we will be talking about the eligibility criteria of PMP certification. If you are planning to take up the PMP certification, here is where you should start. Without wasting much time, let's get started.
Before we dive in, you can also check StarAgile's PMP certification program, an excellent opportunity for those aiming to advance their careers and step into top management roles.
Firstly, let's understand what PMP certification is. PMP certification is globally recognized certification offered by Project Management Institute (PMI). It demonstrates your competencies in leading teams and managing projects. PMP acts as a benchmark for your project management skills. Also, it opens up opportunities globally for a better pay and the leadership roles. Before you appear for PMP exam, you need to meet the two eligibility criteria. The key focus will be on education and professional experience. Let's start with educational prerequisites. PMI offers two pathways based on your highest level of education. As we discussed, there are two ways to meet the eligibility criteria. Option 1, if you are having a 4-year degree, which is bachelor's or global equivalent. Along with this, you also need to have 35 hours of formal project management education. This could come from courses, workshop, or even online programs, which focuses on project management. Option 2, if your formal highest level of education is high school diploma or associate degree or equivalent, you are still eligible, but with slight changes. One is, you need to have 35 hours of formal project management education. Also, you need to meet a different experience level, which I will be covering up shortly. Now, keep in mind, 35 hours of formal project management education is crucial. The format of formal education includes initiating, planning, executing, monitoring, and closing the project. Many candidates fulfill this requirement by PMI registered educational providers or PMI authorized prep courses. Moving on to the next step of eligibility criteria, that is professional project management experience. Based on the highest level of education, here also there are two pathways. If you are having 4 years of degree, then you need to have 3 years of project management experience, which is equal to 4,500 hours of project management and team management experience. If you have a high school diploma or an associate degree, then PMI requires you to have minimum of 5 years of project management experience or roughly 7,500 hours of managing and directing projects. Now, let's understand what exactly is project management experience. PMI is looking for specific experiences where you have led and managed the projects. This means you are responsible for project outcomes, managing resources, setting up the timelines, and making sure that the stakeholders are informed throughout the project lifecycle. However, all the experiences not all the same. Your experiences must be aligned with the 5 process groups outlined by PMI: initiating, planning, executing, monitoring and control, closing. As long as your professional role includes the involvement in these areas, your number of hours still count for the PMP eligibility, whether you are managing a small scale project or a large scale project. To sum up the PMP eligibility, if you are having 4 years of degree, then you need to have minimum of 3 years of project management experience, or if you are a high school diploma or an associate degree equivalent, then you need to have minimum of 5 years of project management experience. Now here is a tip. When you apply for the PMP certification, PMI will request for the detailed documentation of all the project management experience which you have attained during your experience aligned towards the process groups. Make sure you keep the detailed record of all these things. Now, this will not only streamline your application, but also further reduces any chances of delay. There you have it, a clear breakdown of education and professional experience requirements for PMP certification. Once you meet these criteria, you are now eligible to appear for the exam. But don't forget the importance of adequate preparation. PMP is challenging. Also, it is incredibly rewarding. I know you are serious and ready to take up the next step in your project management career. It's not too late. Start tracking your progress. Now, take up the 35 hours of formal project management education and keep pushing yourself forward. During this journey, If you feel any assistance required, then feel free to reach out to us in the comments below. Thanks for watching our videos. If you enjoyed the content, then make sure you hit the like button, subscribe our channel, and stay tuned for more updates on professional project management videos. Until then, signing off, Venkatesh.